What is going on, everybody? It's Ivo here. I know it's been a little while since we posted another car, I guess, video, because last one we did was arbitrary discussions, part 6. Curran and I, and unfortunately Adnan Mervik. Go watch that video. It's hilarious. I mean, an hour and 15 minutes will be wasted of your life, and you can't get it back. But it's a pretty good video. You should go watch it. But as you guys can see, I'm here in the shop. I'm actually just here to do an update on the Project Silver Mercedes. Remember the 2001 E320 I introduced maybe a couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So I've taken all the damaged part off, as you guys can see. So you guys remember the bumper it's trash, but luckily yesterday I found one at the junkyard, and I got it for $10. $10, 10. There's this junkyard here in Vegas. There's not really a name for it. It's not Pick Apart. It's also called Pick Apart, though. It's weird. It's not like the official Pick Apart that is on Lamb Boulevard, and then there's one in Henderson. But on that, everything there, every part there is $10. No matter what it is, it's $10. So I got this for $15 because they said this is in here, and I was like, I mean, whatever, who cares? I think it might need a little paint though, because that. Or, since this is a cheap car, I mean, we're gonna probably just do something. Man, that truck is really annoying. It's the garbage truck. So from what I can see, this is pretty straight, because I took the other one off on the other side. I put it back on, but I took it off and it looks like this. So even though it looks like it's bent, it's not. That's the way it is, at least from what I can tell. The only bent one is this right here, which is not even that bad. I mean, man, I wish I could get some. Let me see. Where's the flashlight? Probably use a flashlight just to illuminate it, but I don't see. Oh, never mind. My bad. This one on? No, that one's dead. Of course. Excuse the mess. So this is you guys remember this one, Blogos? So after contemplating, he finally just told we just told one mechanic to do it. So the engine, transmission's in, subframe has to go in, and then just hook up all the electrical stuff, and then car will be ready to drive, man. That's what I'm talking about. So I don't see the freaking flashlight anywhere here. Oh, my goodness, dude. But I mean, I think you guys can see kind of. So this is part of the headlight, where the headlight sits. It sits right here on the apron. So this is just bent in, but now we're getting it straightened out. So yeah, new bumper. I already got the headlight. Fender, the car I got the bumper from, I'm gonna go back and get the fender since it's already silver. Because I don't know if you guys can see over there, those bronze, not bronze, like beige gold. I was gonna put those on, but since I don't want to pay for paint or anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get the freaking what do you call it? Just the one from that car, the silver one, and then we'll be all set. But hopefully we can make some good profit on this. This is a flip car. These things, surprisingly, they hold their value pretty well. I mean, I was pretty surprised. These things go for around $3-4 grand. I was like, really? Wow. But you got to remember, this is a lot of people consider this Mercedes, the W210 body, to be the last like real Mercedes, because after this, a lot of people think they cheaped out on parts. I don't know. I'm the wrong person to ask, because I love Mercedes. They're my favorite car brand. But I see where they're coming from. I mean, just this right here, I mean, just the door just feels really solid. It needs our detail really bad. So we're gonna get one. I mean, you guys can see all the soda, or I don't know what the hell they were drinking. I think it was soda, or maybe even an energy drink. I guess when they hit it over there, they spilled it all over. So yeah, here, there's some all the way over there. But like, the car, it fires right away. I'm not gonna start it because the doors are closed and I don't want to die, but I can. Oh, this is really comfortable. But yeah. Oh, that's not good. We can't keep the radio on. But yeah, that works. I figured out why the AC doesn't blow cold right now. It's a little line that was ruptured. It's right there. It sits right front. See if we can see it. It's that little, you can't really see it, but it's this right here. That's like a little reservoir. It's ruptured, so I just gotta get a new one. which shouldn't be too hard. I'm just gonna go do it from the silver car. I might even pull the seat out of that silver car, considering that one's ripped. Actually, for it being, you know, what is it now? Oh, my math is off. I think like, what is it? 17-year-old car, 18-year-old car, and it's really good condition for how many miles it has. Remember I told you guys it has 224,000 miles on it. The interior is in really good shape aside from the seat. And once I get it cleaned up, I think it's gonna clean up really nice. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna be fantastic. But yeah, all the buttons, everything works. The wood is not cracked over there. Usually the sun cracks it, considering it's like a California car. The sunroof works, no issues. Oh, it's locked, whatever. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to tell you guys was just, I mean, I don't think I've showed you guys the engine on this thing, have I? So open it up. But yeah, this is Mercedes tried and true 3.2 liter V6. I believe before the facelift, because this is the facelifted model, I think they facelifted them in 2000, I believe. I think that's when the V6 came out. I could be wrong though. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. They either came out in 99 or in 2000. Before that, it was a 3.2 liter inline six. You know, they're the C32 AMG. That's the 3.2 liter inline six, but it's modified. So yeah, I mean, honestly, it's just, you know, these things are just tried and true. These engines are really reliable. I mean, a lot of people will be like, oh, it's hard to maintain, it's expensive. These things are, I mean, they have them in the junkyards. Hey, you can work on it. Just look at the amount of space there is in here. New cars, they're terrible at this, but look at this. Change your belt in like 5 minutes. It's awesome. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do was just give you guys an update on the car. Hopefully it'll be done this week. I mean, it will be done this week, and then it's gonna go for sale immediately. But yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. Make sure you guys like this video. Please share it, and let me know what you guys think of it. I mean, I like the car, but you know. All right, guys. You guys all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.